Ilalluna offers products to all of the events companies at any venues around Barcelona and Spain. We do lyrical, dance and circus products and experiences. So you can book Ilalluna for anything and any event that you might wish to.
My name is Dunia from Ilalluna.
Hello, Dunia. Please tell us something about your experience here at Luxury Connection selling Rumba Catalana.
La experiencia de Rumba Catalana para el público ha sido una experiencia súper agradable y divertida para pasar y romper el hielo durante gente que desconoce el producto. Bueno.
The Rumba Catalana workshop has been amazing and really lovely to showcase to all the delegates at Connections Luxury Europe to break the ice during their meetings.
You have a show, so you have a business that is to show Rumba Catalana and dance. Tell us about it, where you're located, what you do.
Los espectáculos de Ilalluna se pueden hacer en cualquier lugar y ofrecemos todo lo que es danza, lírico, circo y la especialidad del latido flamenco, que es un flamenco muy vanguardista con una línea muy elegante para todos los públicos y para todos los negocios.
Ilalluna offers products to all of the events companies at any venues around Barcelona and Spain. We do lyrical, dance and circus products and experiences. So you can book Ilalluna for anything and any event that you might wish to. And the dance experience is a really elegant experience to enhance your event.
You have interacted with people from abroad. Tell us some anecdotes, something that has happened here with your Rumba in this fantastic, magnificent space.
Sí, ha sido una experiencia muy divertida y ha sido muy curioso que todo el público ha participado en la Rumba Catalana, disfrutando y dando a conocer lo que es nuestro producto.
It's been an amazing experience for all the delegates to showcase for the first time Rumba Catalana workshop. They had a fantastic time learning the new dance, and hopefully they'll have a good memory from it.
You have a website address.
Sí, si queréis localizarnos para tener una experiencia única, ilalluna.com.
If you want to find us in the website, you can locate us in ilalluna.com.
Thank you, and thanks to all the dancers because they have been very elegant and passionate. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.